the products.
This is the one.
Put simply, our products are delicious. Oh, you want to know more? Fair enough. Our products are delicious, nutritionally balanced meal replacements. Because total diet replacement is clinically proven to lead to greater weight loss. They include noodles, soups, porridge, shakes, savoury rice, meal bars, and pasta. There's so much variety you'll never get bored. Plus, you can introduce other meals as you progress through your diet plan. Take the first step to a fabulous new you. Start choosing your personal diet consultant today. Want the weight gone? Do the one-to-one.